Here is our list of the top 5 best clothes dryers you can get right now. The Euhomy 3.5 cubic feet is a space-saving front-load vented dryer, ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. It features a durable stainless steel drum and 1,500 watts heating element for efficient drying. Designed for use with a standard 110-volt outlet, it includes multiple drying modes: strong, intelligent, eco, and normal, selectable via an intuitive LCD panel. Its two-way tumbling helps reduce wrinkles and ensures even drying. With a transparent door, overheat protection, and a multi-layer lint filter, it balances performance and safety. Compact yet capable, it's perfect for moderate laundry needs where space is limited. The Beyond AI dryer is a smart energy-efficient solution, ideal for small spaces, RVs, dorms, and travel. It features advanced AI that monitors temperature, moisture, weight, and tangling to optimize drying and prevent damage. Its dual independent motors enhance control and efficiency, while its real moisture sensor ensures accurate shutoff. The dryer offers 8 versatile cycles, operates quietly at just 50 decibels, and consumes only 760 watts. With a stylish cylindrical design, 6-pound capacity, child lock, and easy clean lint filter, it delivers powerful yet gentle drying in a compact, portable, and user-friendly form. The Ninja Portable Spin Dryer is a compact high-efficiency laundry appliance, ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. Weighing just 19 pounds, it features a 22 pounds capacity stainless steel drum and uses centrifugal force to remove up to 90% of moisture from clothes in just 2 to 3 minutes, without heat. Its standout high-tech suspension system minimizes vibrations, enhances stability, and extends motor life. The energy-efficient unit requires no external venting, plugs into a standard 110-volt outlet, and uses a gravity drain system. Gentle on fabrics, quick to operate, and easy to use, it's perfect for portable laundry needs. The Costway Portable Clothes Dryer is a compact, efficient laundry solution, ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and RVs. Weighing around 37 pounds with a 1.5 cubic feet capacity, it can handle up to 10 pounds of wet clothes. It features an 850 watts motor, stainless steel drum for durability, and multiple drying modes: cool, warm, hot, air dry, and anti-wrinkle. The reverse tumble action reduces tangling and wrinkles, while its low noise level, safety shutoff features, and easy clean lint filter enhance convenience. No external venting is needed, and flexible installation options add to its appeal. The Panda Portable Spin Dryer is a compact, energy-efficient appliance, ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. Weighing about 26 pounds with a 22 pounds capacity stainless steel drum, it spins at 3,200 RPM to effectively remove excess moisture and significantly reduce drying time. Its 300 watts motor operates on 110 volt, and its gravity drainage system requires only a bucket, eliminating the need for external venting. Designed for portability and quiet operation, it includes a locking lid and stabilizing rubber feet. Gentle on fabrics and simple to use, it's perfect for quick, budget-friendly laundry drying.